Going to get your new onboard unit installed? Here's what to expect. When you arrive at the workshop, a trained technician will assist you with the installation of your OBU. The technician will assess the feasibility of your preferred configuration. Installation time will vary depending on the make and model of your vehicle. But you should have time to get yourself a coffee. During installation, the technician will install the antenna on the lower right corner of your windscreen. The touchscreen display will be mounted in front of the antenna. If you choose not to install the touchscreen display, you can download a mobile application and use your phone instead. However, you will need to confirm your preferred notification volume during installation, as the volume cannot be adjusted without the touchscreen display. The processing unit will also need to be installed. The technician will conduct a technical assessment and inform you about the feasible locations for installing the processing unit in your vehicle. Riding a motorcycle? A single-piece OBU will be mounted directly to the handlebars. After installation, you can read the e-brochure to find out more about your new OBU and its functions. You can sign up for back-end payment options to pay your ERP charges through your credit or debit cards. Or you can also pay by inserting a valid CPAS card into the processing unit. And that's it! Now you can enjoy all the features of your new OBU.